Ice Age. Friends united in a time long before humans roamed the Earth. A great ice age gripped the planet, transforming the world into a frozen wilderness where survival was a constant struggle. In this icy realm, a diverse group of prehistoric creatures found themselves brought together by fate, embarking on an epic journey that would change their lives forever. At the heart of the story is Manny, a solitary and brooding woolly mammoth who has lost his entire herd to the harsh realities of the Ice Age. Determined to find solace in solitude, Manny begrudgingly teams up with Sid, a fast-talking and eccentric ground sloth, and Diego, a fierce and cunning saber-toothed tiger with a hidden agenda. As the unlikely trio traverses the frozen landscape, they encounter a host of colorful characters, including a herd of dim-witted but lovable glyptodons, a family of comically inept dodos, and a group of mischievous and pint-sized saber-toothed squirrels. But their journey is soon interrupted by a chance encounter with a human infant named Roshan, who has been separated from his tribe and left stranded in the icy wilderness. Against their better judgment, Manny, Sid, and Diego take it upon themselves to return the child to his family, embarking on a perilous adventure across treacherous terrain and facing numerous obstacles along the way. As they journey together, Manny, Sid, and Diego form a bond forged by adversity and shared experiences, learning valuable lessons about friendship, loyalty, and the true meaning of family. Along the way, they discover that despite their differences, they are stronger together than they could ever be apart. In the end, Manny, Sid, and Diego succeed in reuniting Roshan with his tribe, but their adventure is far from over. As they bid farewell to their newfound friends and continue their journey through the Ice Age, they know that no matter what challenges lie ahead, they will face them together, united by the bonds of friendship and the spirit of adventure that burns within their hearts. As Manny, Sid, and Diego continue their journey through the Ice Age, they encounter new challenges and adventures that test their courage and determination. Along the way, they stumble upon a hidden valley teeming with life, where lush vegetation thrives amidst the frozen landscape. Here, they meet Ellie, a spirited woolly mammoth who believes she is a possum, having been raised by a family of the small marsupials. Despite their initial differences, Manny is drawn to Ellie's warmth and vitality, and the two quickly form a bond. Joined by Ellie and her possum brothers, Crash and Eddie, Manny, Sid, and Diego set out on a quest to escape the encroaching Ice Age and find sanctuary in a warmer climate. Their journey takes them through treacherous mountain passes, raging rivers, and dense jungles, where they encounter fearsome predators, cunning hunters, and ancient creatures long thought extinct. But amidst the dangers and challenges they face, Manny, Sid, Diego, and their newfound friends discover the true meaning of family, as they stand by each other through thick and thin, supporting and protecting one another no matter what obstacles they encounter. In the end, they find refuge in a lush, tropical paradise, where they can live out their days in peace and harmony, far from the icy grip of the Ice Age. And as they settle into their new home, Manny, Sid, Diego, Ellie, Crash, and Eddie know that no matter what trials may come their way, they will face them together, united by the bonds of friendship and the spirit of adventure that brought them together in the first place. As Manny, Sid, Diego, Ellie, Crash, and Eddie settle into their new home, they discover that their paradise is not as safe as they initially thought. A band of prehistoric pirates, led by the ruthless Captain Gut, lays claim to the tropical island and seeks to plunder its resources for their own gain. Determined to protect their newfound sanctuary, Manny and his friends rally the other creatures of the island, including a group of fearless seafaring animals led by a brave and resourceful saber-toothed squirrel named Scrat. Together, they form a ragtag alliance to thwart Captain Gut's plans and defend their home from the pirate threat. As they engage in a series of daring battles and high-seas adventures, Manny, Sid, Diego, Ellie, Crash, Eddie, and their allies learn valuable lessons about courage, teamwork, and the importance of standing up for what they believe in. Along the way, they uncover hidden strengths and talents within themselves, as well as the true power of friendship and unity in the face of adversity. In the end, Manny and his friends emerge victorious, driving Captain Gut and his pirate crew away from the island and securing their home once and for all. As they celebrate their triumph, they reflect on the incredible journey that brought them together and the bonds of friendship that will continue to unite them in the future. And as the sun sets on their tropical paradise, Manny and his friends know that no matter what challenges may come their way, they will always have each other to rely on, and that together, they can